Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x2 doing some front brakes. Pretty simple. Got a clip, got tubular dust covers. This does not have any sensors, so there'll be nothing needed to be replaced as far as electrically wise. Gonna need a 11mm Allen head. Take out caliper bolts. This how I used to get this clip off. Pair of pliers. Grab. Rotate backwards. Pops right off. Just be careful it doesn't fly off anywhere. Putting the new one back on is a little bit simpler. Move the caliper bolts out of the way. Release a little bit of the tension on the caliper itself. Slide out a whole lot easier. Be careful, it still is attached by some connectors and stuff. Just want to make sure that you don't rip them off in the process. Squeeze caliper back in. C-clamp, whatever kind of tool that you like to use will work just fine. Nothing special about these. Put some brake grease on the back of the caliper, or back of the pads. That way the pads don't make noise when they get hot and they move around inside the caliper. I know I say this with every brake video too. It's for the ones that hadn't seen anything before. This specific setup doesn't have any special direction the pads need to go, so you can't really mess it up. These will just hang on there. These go inside the caliper like yay. Sometimes they're fun to push in, so you can use your caliper tool to squeeze them in there the rest of the way for you. Work smarter, not harder. Alright, make sure you can rotate it around the correct way. Line everything up. Push pins in the back so they start. Okay, dust covers back on, and cool little trick. Have them just setting on each one of the brackets at the top. Hold it there. Use a hammer, plier, whatever you want. Tap on it. And then it'll pop into each one of these little grooves. This is how I do it. But you guys can do it any other way that you so choose. And that's it for this one.